This is Sean. He's an engineer presenting his latest design to his team. Consider how he works with his team today. They work together, huddled around a piece of paper or standing at the whiteboard, drawing, sketching, writing to-do lists, designing, brainstorming. But now imagine the same meetings, but involving his design team in Chicago, Betty working from home in Germany, and the team on site in Florida. The ability to interactively and jointly work together is lost. Communicating ideas is now slow and clunky. Decisions take longer to make. Fortunately, there's SketchTogether. Fast, fluid, and simple collaboration. The result of award-winning PhD research that studied how remote and co-located teams interact, collaborate, and communicate. It's fast. With SketchTogether, you can set up meetings at the spark of a moment. Anyone connected to the same sketch can participate and interact. Have an idea? Sketch it, and everyone else can drop into your existing workspace for feedback. No need to wait for everyone to be ready. It's fluid. SketchTogether's intuitive controls make working with content easy and drive conversations. No need to change modes or look around for tools. Selection and editing is a breeze. Everything is simple for you to concentrate on your work, not on figuring out how to work. A cross-platform solution where you can walk someone through your thought process and communicate as though you were actually there. It's simple. With SketchTogether, there's no need to save your work. It's done for you automatically. You can even share your work or view it offline. No need to prepare long presentations and meetings. Schedule in advance. Get meetings started when ideas come. With SketchTogether, teams participate, communicate, and engage a lot more, making meetings more efficient and fun. Now Sean, Betty, and all the team can concentrate on their work. SketchTogether, fast, fluid, and simple collaboration at the spark of the moment.